They told you that showing your face is the only way to succeed on social media, but what if that's a myth? Ever felt the pressure to be on camera, thinking it's the only path to online success? The anxiety, the discomfort, it could be overwhelming. But what if I told you there's a way to dominate social media without ever showing your face? Imagine building a massive following, sharing your passions, and influencing others, all while staying behind the scenes. It's not just possible, it's happening right now. Take David, for example. He earned $7,000 in just 60 days on TikTok without ever appearing on camera. He created engaging content using voiceovers, text, and external clips, proving that faceless success is real, just like kind of what you're looking at right now. So, how could you achieve this? Here are three proven strategies to dominate social media without showing your face. Secret number one, the power of writing. If you're a wordsmith, leverage text-based platforms like blogging, share thought-provoking posts on LinkedIn, craft engaging tweets, or write insightful articles on Medium. Consistency and storytelling can turn your words into viral content. Secret number two, the rise of audio content. Not into writing? Try podcasting or creating audio snippets. Platforms like Spotify and Clubhouse are booming. Share your insights, stories, or interviews without ever stepping in front of a camera. Your voice could build a loyal audience. Secret number three, video content without your face. Love creating videos, but camera shy? Focus on content that doesn't feature you. This could be tutorials, product reviews, or animations. Use engaging visuals and captions to keep your audience hooked. Remember, authenticity and consistency are key. Play to your strengths, choose the medium that suits you, and start creating. Your audience is waiting. If you found these tips helpful, hit the subscribe button for more insights on mastering social media your way, and drop a comment below. What's your biggest strength? Writing, talking, or creating?